In the middle of flu season, that's where we're at right now, but the public health directors have another virus to worry about. Coronavirus has killed 17 people. It has now spread to the United States. Fox 44's Emily Kay spoke with public health officials about the virus and what symptoms to look out for. Hey, Emily.
Hey, Adam. Well, there have been hundreds of cases in China of the coronavirus, but here in the United States, there's only been one.
This is very new. It started coming up on the radar in December, and so every day we're learning more information about how this virus works.
The coronavirus is the newest virus being monitored by the WHO and the CDC, with one case confirmed in the United States on Tuesday. Citizens and health officials are on high alert. According to doctors, people who travel outside of the United States, specifically to China, are the most at risk, as the virus is spread person to person.
There's some concerns for people who's going to travel outside, and CDC has been working closely with WHO in taking proper measures. So right now they are doing an entry screening for all the people who's coming directly from Wuhan or taking connecting flights in major airports here in the United States.
Symptoms of the virus are similar to the flu, the common cold, or pneumonia.
Patients will present with fever and respiratory symptoms as a cough or shortness of breath.
If you haven't traveled outside of the U.S.,
I think it's important to know right now that it is very contained. If you're concerned about your risk, remember, if you have not traveled to China, and specifically the Wuhan city, then you are at no risk for this.
As of right now, there is no vaccine for the virus because it is so new. But doctors say the coronavirus is no cause for concern in Central Texas.
There's no reason to be panicked. There's no concerns. There's different measures that the health authorities are taking to protect us. So there's right now no concern at all.
As of right now, the city of Wuhan, where the virus was first identified, has shut down all outbound trains and flights to try and contain the virus. In Waco, Emily Kay, Fox 44 News.